Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. In this video, I want to talk about HDMI video glasses that you can hook up to your Sigma FP camera. As you can see, this Sigma FP camera does not have EVF. You can purchase from Sigma website for around $600, but this one here, this video glasses, only cost me around $300. The only issue is that I can't seem to locate this video glasses anymore. I don't think this model is made anymore. You can still look for it, but look for it through the keywords HDMI video glasses. Hopefully you can purchase one online. Once you have one, you can hook it up through the HDMI port and you're ready to go. The only issue, of course, is that the resolution is not as great as the Sigma EVF, but it has 2 EVF, so I think it's good enough to do filming. Let's talk about it right now. Alright, so here it is, the HDMI video glasses. As you can see here, it's quite compact. When I wear it, it's pretty comfortable. The only issue is, as you can see here, it's very thick in front, about 2 inches. But that's reasonable if you think about what it's made out of. You have the plastic casing, then you have the EVF, 2 of them, and then you have the lens. And of course, you have the PCB board that, controls everything in this glasses. So for what it's designed for, I think it's pretty amazing. Now, what's unique about this video glasses, it also connected to audio part. This is the audio earbud. As you can see here, both of them, we have 2. So while you record, you can actually hear what's being recorded as well. So you can use that as a scratch audio. Now, normally when I record my video, I would record externally the audio. So I would have a good soundtrack. But it's great to also have a audio when you're recording as a scratch so you can sync it with the good audio. So I think that's an extra feature that the EVF from Sigma doesn't have, because it's connected directly to your HDMI, as you can see here. Notice the wire is quite long. Now I need probably to get a better HDMI wire, but here's the component that you need to get to hook up to your Sigma. The first thing, of course, is the micro HDMI cable, and then hook up to the standard HDMI here, as you can see. Then you need this special adapter. Now, this is something that is not mentioned in any website, and so this is a unique component that you need to have, okay? So what it is a female to female HDMI. You need to get one of those. So on one end of the standard HDMI, that's coming from the micro HDMI from Sigma, okay? You connect that to there. Then on the other end, this is where the video glasses HDMI is. So you hook that up like that, okay? And now the HDMI video glasses is connected. So when I view it, let's turn it on here, I can see exactly what I'm see through this LCD screen, except that I have these 2 HDMI EVF viewfinders. There's 2 of them, and so it looks kind of 3D in some way. And that's why I'm saying, even though the resolution is not as great, because it's 3D, it feels like I can actually focus quite good. And the focus peaking right now is set to red color. I can see it really, really clearly. So whatever I see on this screen, it can be projected onto my HDMI glasses. So very unique concept. So when you're filming, let's say in a daylight, right, where this screen cannot be seen, and then you want to be able to look at whether you're underexposed or overexposed, this allows you, this video glass allows you to see that, and the sunlight can't really penetrate through this glasses, because really if you look at it, there is a shade, right? There's actually like a sunglasses here. So it's completely dark. So when I'm looking through this glasses, there is no light going into the EVF, so I can see it really well. Now there's also a 3D feature on this glasses, but I don't think it will work on the Sigma FP. But if you have a 3D movie, you can also watch 3D movie through this glass as well. It said in the box that you can hook it up to a Blu-ray DVD. You can hook up to your PC that has HDMI connection. very, very useful actually. Not only can hook up to your Sigma camera, you can hook up to your DVD player, you can hook up to your video games, so you can receive a lot of video signal through this HDMI. It's not only used as an EVF for your camera, but it's also can be used to entertain you if you want to watch DVD or you watch even like live streaming videos through your computer, okay? So very useful. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a little heart of appreciation. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.